Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making affiliate commissions promoting someone else's product, especially with Clickbank, using free resources, no investment and no money required. This is absolutely free and you can do this starting today. No more excuse saying I don't have money, I don't know how to create a campaign, I don't know how to do paid traffic. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this for free. Yes, promote other people's products for free, start making money using free traffic, and then use that money to invest in your business and take your business to the next level. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. My channel is all about making money online, working from home, opportunities, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, traffic generation. My training has helped thousands of people make money online. So if you're interested in any of these, make sure you smash the subscribe button, click the share button and share this video with the people you care. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And if you have any kind of question, just leave a comment for me. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions and also help you out. And if you want me to create a video related to any topic, just leave a comment and I will do that for you. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so if you don't know what Clickbank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of digital products, and you can use these products to promote and make money online. You don't have to create a sales page, you don't have to create a product. Thank you, paid members area. Your job is to just get the link and drive traffic, drive people to it. And I'm going to show you how to do this the right way. And if you're persistent in doing this, you're going to start making money. I'm saying this because I'm doing it myself, all right, with my own product. All right, so I'm teaching you what I'm doing myself. So it's not something that I'm teaching you theory, it's the walk, not just talk the talk here. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to find a product from here, from the Clickbank marketplace. Okay, so normally I'm going to go for e-business and e-marketing, and this is what I love to do. So let's choose a product. Okay, so I just came to this page down here that we could see so many products down here. Now I want to promote a high ticket offer. If you don't know what high ticket is where the person promotes a product and you can get paid like $500, $600, $1,000 in commission. So let's just do this. Let's go to average conversions, high to low. Okay, so we could see the first product that's going to pay us is $600, okay? 4.98 gravity score. It's very low, but obviously it's a high ticket offer, so that's why it's going to be low, okay? Super affiliate system, John Crestani's auto webinar funnel. If I just click on this and let me just look at the sales page here, okay? So I could see finally the beginner's friendly 3-step blueprint I was to use to generate much as 10,000 in the very first month. Okay, so I'm going to try and use this sales page text to craft something that I can post and use it for free, okay? So what we need to do is we need to get our affiliate link. Let me show you how to get your affiliate link, okay? So you want to click on this promote button here, okay? You want to get your nickname inside, continue, and then I think this guy gives a lot of options. Look at this: direct to sales paid, native ads, student direct to video room, order overview paid. We're just going to keep it to default, and then we're just going to scroll down, and this is going to be your affiliate link here, okay? So we're going to copy this link and we're just going to come to a page called tinyurl. Oops, not this. Okay, we want to go to tinyurl.com. And we are just going to smash it in like this, okay? And we are just going to wait until it verifies that we are real humans. And there you go, it's done. Shorten URL. Okay, and this is going to be our link here. We're going to keep this right now, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come here, okay? And I'm just going to copy this, okay? And I'm going to come to ChatGPT. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, hey, I want to create a post that gets a lot of engagement. Can you please spin this text for me and make it more engaging? Create 5 variations for me. We're going to paste that text in, okay, and let's see what ChatGPT has to do for us. Okay, alright, so check this out. Look at this. Okay, autopilot job done. Alright, so ChatGPT went out there, breaking you the simple 3-step system that's helping beginners generate 10,000 in the first month. No experience in this. And then at the end, we're just going to leave something else, which I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, you can see it's got about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to use one of these. So what we're going to do, we're going to start using a free traffic source to start getting engaged. And I'm going to show you how to do this right now. Okay, so the free traffic source we're going to use in this case is Facebook. You're probably asking, wait. Facebook, really? Let me show you. Wait, let me show you how it's all done. Okay, so first of all, we're going to come to groups. Okay, you're probably asking, you're saying, oh, this doesn't work. Of course it does. I made the same myself with my own product. All right, couple of days ago. Okay, if you're persistent is the key to success. If you do it every single day, you're going to make money, my friend. Okay, you have to be persistent. So come here and type in affiliate marketing. Okay, and you're going to find all these groups. Okay, you need to join these groups one by one. Okay, so join about 10 groups in the morning, 10 groups in the night. Don't get too crazy. All right, so you're just going to click on join. Then you want to click on join. You can see here this got 48,000 members, this got 30,000 members, this got 35,000 members. Okay, this got 11,000 members. All right, 10 posts a day. People are posting. Okay, affiliate marketing, India. You could do 59,000 members. Okay, I'm already part of this group. So you want to join a couple of these groups. Okay, I recommend joining at least 50 groups. Okay, so you could twist the keyword as well. Just go make money online. Okay, and then you want to join all these groups as well. Check this out, 19,000 members, 28,000 members. Let's do this. Okay, join a couple of these groups here. Let's see if I can find a higher big group here. Okay, here's one, here's another one. Okay, you just want to join some of these groups. Okay, check this out, 135,000 members. I'm already part of this group. Okay, and if I scroll down, 41,000 members. I'm already part of this group. Okay, so you get the idea. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to post it, and let me show you the power way to post this on these groups. All right, so how do you post? I'm just going to go to one of the groups down here. Okay, so let me just go to a group that I'm already part of. Where is that? 135k group. Let's just go into this group, and I am going to post something here. Okay, so okay, let me just find another one. Okay, let's just go to this one, work from home group, 48,000 members. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT, and I am going to take one of those. So no experience, no problem. Here, the 3-step method that's helping you with putting $10,000 in 30 days or less. Let's do that. No experience, no problem. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, click on this. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to choose a color here. Let's just choose this one. Okay, that's looking good. No experience. Let's see if it's going to work, because no experience, no problem. Here's the three-step. Let's just 3-step method that's helping you is pulling $10,000 plus in 30 days or less. comment me for link. Comment me for link. There you go. Okay, now when you join a couple of groups, okay, you will able to post it into 3 groups simultaneously. Okay, so look at this. I could do this. Okay, and I'm going to show you a little proof. Look at this. You posted on Monday. You posted this 22 hours ago. Look at it. I'm doing this myself. I'm not just teaching you the talk. I'm doing the walk here, my friend. I'm doing something myself and I'm teaching you why, because this works. Persistent is the key to success. Okay, look at this proof. I've already posted something 22 hours ago in these groups. Check this out. I posted something in this group on Monday. Okay, I posted something in this group Monday. This was 22 hours ago. Monday, 22 hours ago. Monday. Check this. I'm doing it myself. Okay, so you could do this as well. If you have your own product, do it with your own product. If you don't, you have your own product. Okay, do it with someone else's product. Simple, like easy. So I could just choose 3 groups here. I could go here, boom, boom, boom. Okay, there you go. 3 groups. And then what you want to do is you just want to click on done, and then you want to click on post. Okay, when you post that, it's going to go out there and it's going to post it to all those 3 groups. And guess what's going to happen after that? This next thing is going to happen is people are going to start to respond to that group, their comments. And when you start getting those comments, what you're going to do, you get the answer. You need to go out there and send a private message to all of them with your affiliate link. Okay, so you're going to write something like, hey, thanks for your interest. Here's a link that's helping people hit their first $10,000 in 30 days or less. Click here now, and they will click on that link. They will watch the webinar. If they like what they see, if they buy the product, guess who makes the commission? You do. You make all that commission. Okay, and you're going to make up to $600 in commission. This is absolutely free to do, my friend. No investment required, no paid traffic required, no paid campaign required. Start doing this today. Do it every single day. Persistent is the key to success, and when you do this, you're going to start seeing results. Now, if you want to partner up with me in an opportunity that's paying 100% commission, make absolutely insane amounts of sales and commissions, okay, and make up to $900 in sales per customer, then click the link in my description box below this video, or click the link in the comment section box. Okay, I'm also going to have the link for this, which is a brand new pre-launch opportunity that you can join, in my comment section box below this video. It's something that you can join, take advantage now before it reaches to millions, and then it becomes hard for you to get this out there to other people. Right now it's in a pre-launch phase, and I could see this taking the internet by storm, because I could see some of the top internet gurus have already joined this. I'm going to have the link in my comment section box. You can scroll down, go to the comment section box, it's a pinned comment, just go there, click on this link, and you will able to create your account with this opportunity. Also, check out the video, the sales video that I'm going to give you. You will come to a page just like this. Okay, let me just show you. Right, so if I come here, and then if I just go to there, you're going to come to a page just like this. I want you to watch this video. Okay, you're going to get access to 4 income system with a complete done for you business in a box, and with full master resale rights. That means you get to keep, sell, earn 100% profit. Just come here, watch this video, okay, and then you could watch the webinar if you want to. And if you're ready to join, you just come here, click here to join, and when you join this program, okay, you get 100% commission paid to you, all done for you, okay, and you get access to all 4 systems. But if you can't just join this one, then what you can do, you could just scroll down, okay, right to the bottom, okay, and then it says here, don't need a complete program for income streams. Enroll in the program you want to learn and earn from individually instead. Okay, then you could just come here and join the program you want to you want to join. Okay, so one is called the Digital Mastery Program, one is called the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, and one is called the Launchpad Program. So if you don't want to join the high program which gives you access to everything, then you could join an individual program out of this. And remember, whatever you join, that's going to qualify you to earn 100% commission on that program, with all the business setup, sales page setup, everything done for you. You get access to it, and whichever one. So for example, if you join the Digital Mastery Program, you're going to get access to Digital Mastery, but at the same time, you're going to get access to the lower programs as well, which is Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, Launchpad Program as well. So you get access to all three of these programs with 100% resale rights. And if you join the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, then you will only get access to two programs, which is Passive Daily Pay Blueprint and Launchpad Program. You will not get access to Digital Mastery Program and $900 program, which is a Legacy Builders program. So it's up to you what you want to join, but you'll have to take your first step. You have to take that first risk, okay? You need to come out your comfort zone. You need to stop thinking, to get out that fear and take that risk, because this is changing lives, okay? This is something that will change your life as well. If you believe in yourself, if you do exactly as told, as it only requires 1 to 2 hours per day, and I believe anyone can do this. No more excuse, okay? So link in my comment section box pinned for you to check this video out. All right, you could also reach out to me with any questions on my Facebook account. If I just come here, you could come to my Facebook account here, and you could reach out to me, ask me any questions you may have, okay? And I'm more than happy to help you out, okay? So once again, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.